Good morning guys. Today we are up before the sun out here in Adelaide and tackling the Onkaparinga Gorge river run. It's going to be 13.5 k's and I think it's got 300 or 400 meters of incline. Never done this one before, so let's go check it out. Beautiful morning so far. Got a great little single track going here. We're right in the gorge now, but once we get up on the ridges every now and again, there's some beautiful golden light coming through. We're almost at the lookout, but just wanted to stop and show you how beautiful this little spot is next to the river. So we're now heading up out of the gorge. This is where you collect your vertical here. Gee, it's pretty steep. Well, we've made it here to the top of the gorge at Onkaparinga. Beautiful golden light flowing in. You can see the different cuts in the gorge. Pretty steep running out, but not too bad. I think we still got a little bit more to go when we're talking about vert on the way back. But yeah, beautiful viewpoint to take in the morning. Hasn't been anybody out here so far, so just enjoying the gorge to myself. I'm gonna keep going. All right, we're starting to head our way back, 6.5 k's back to the original starting spot. Alright, we're almost back at the trailhead. It's been 13 k's now. It's actually been pretty slow going. The terrain's been a little bit interesting to navigate, a lot of rock climbing, a lot of scrambling, so even got a little bit lost on the way back, but it's been a beautiful trail following the river the whole way. But yeah, it's I think we're almost at an hour and a half now, so slow going but beautiful. So I just had a look at the watch. It was 537 meters of incline and a total of 13.5 kilometers in distance, and it took just over an hour and a half. It wasn't really a great flat running track for, you know, a runner per se, but it was a fun adventure run. Bit of scrambling here and there. There was cactus, a lot of tree roots, rocks. I slid over a few times. Spotted a lot of kangaroos. Saw one of the biggest kangaroos of my life. Must have been almost 7 foot. I even saw a spotted deer. I don't see those often in Adelaide, not in this area anyway for me. And a lot of rosellas. So that's the wrap up of the run. Would recommend. I would say come out here for sunrise because you get that beautiful golden light and it won't be too warm down in the gorge. But yeah, perfect day. Cheers for watching, and here's to a few more runs this year.